Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, I want to explain Unit 2, Period 3, Language, Hope and Wish. Hope and Wish, what does it mean in Arabic? Hope and Wish, يأمل أو يتمنى. Now, open your books, page 18. Exercise number 1, here we have 6 examples. We want to explain these examples in order to complete the rule. Now, here. Look at the examples when you complete the grammar rules. Number 1, I want to read just 1, 2, 3. Education ministers are hoping to improve their school systems. I hope it won't happen. Let's hope he gets the grades he needs. Now, what do you notice about these 3 sentences? In these 3 sentences, we use hope, hope, hope. We use hope. Also, what we use after hope in the first sentence, we use here to plus infinitive, to improve, to plus infinitive. In the second one, we use it. It's the pronoun. Here, it's the subject. The pronoun here, subject pronoun. So after subject pronoun, we use a verb. Which tense of this verb we use? Won't happen. Want, abbreviation for will not. اختصار will not. So it's here future tense, but negative. And the third one, we notice that we use also subject, he, subject pronoun he, and after subject pronoun we use verb. But which tense we use here? We use a present simple. So we notice that after hope we use either to plus infinitive or future simple, future will, want, or going to. And also we use present simple. Now let's see the 3 sentences here. Examples about wish. I wish our school had better equipment. The head teacher wishes the school could buy more computers. I wish I wasn't or weren't so bad at maths. So here we notice that after wish we use also subject, our school subject. But which tense of the verb here we use? We use had past simple from have, so it's past simple. The head teacher wishes the school. After wishes also we have subject, the school. And which tense we use? Could buy, could past from can, so also past tense. Could past from can, could buy. I wish I wasn't or weren't so bad at maths. Also we use after wish I, it's the subject. And which tense we use here? Was or were. So it's was, the past, or were, the past from is, am, are, and the infinitive be, the past tense. So we notice that we use after wish subject plus past form, subject plus past tense. Now complete the grammar rules. We use hope plus what? The infinitive with to plus infinitive form of the verb to talk about aims or ambitions. So again, why we use hope here? To talk about aims, أهداف, and ambitions, طموحات. شو بنأمل، شو بنتمنى يصير. aims, أهداف, ambitions, طموحات. Number 2, we use hope plus subject plus verb to say what we want to happen or not happen in the future. So here we mean we use after hope subject plus future tense. Future means will or want, negative, or going to. Number 3, the verb after hope can be in a future form, will, want, going to, or the present tense like gets here, he gets the grades, present simple. Number 4, we use wish now, wish plus the past tense to say what we want to change about a present situation. Number 5, the past form of can is could, as we use here, could buy, past form. After wish, the verb to be can be either was or were because it's the past form of verb to be. Now look at this girl. I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. I hope she use what? It, subject. After it, we use present simple in negative form. Doesn't rain tomorrow, to talk about the future event. Here, I wish I understood this, I wish I understood this question. I wish, after I wish, we use subject I, then understood, past simple. Here, the rule in Arabic, hope تأتي بعد الفاعل ويكون الفعل بعدها إما مستقبل أو مضارع بسيط، يأتي بعدها كمان إيش؟ فعل مجرد. wish يأتي أو تأتي بعد الفاعل ويكون الفعل بعدها ماضي بسيط منفي أو مثبت. Now look at exercise number 2. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs in brackets. Number 1, I hope I get or will get good, because after hope, if we use subject, we use either present simple or future simple. So get correct and will get correct. انتين صح لأنه حكينا نقدر نستخدم بعد السبجكت إما مضارع بسيط أو مستقبل بسيط. I wish I get good marks or I will get good marks in the test tomorrow. Number 2, she wishes she didn't have so much homework to do. She wishes she didn't have. After wish, we use subject. All the time we use subject after wish. Then past form, either negative or affirmative. Here we use not, so didn't have in past form. Number 3, we don't invest enough. Invest يستثمر. We don't invest enough in primary education. I hope we, after hope, we use subject here, so either present simple or future simple. Will spend or spend more in the future. Number 4, after leaving university, I hope. After hope, we use. Here there is no subject, so we use the first rule, to plus infinitive, because there is no subject after hope. So to become a teacher. I hope to become a teacher. I don't know what he's saying. I wish I here all the time we use after wish subject. So I could, here we have can, so could understand the French. Number 6, most parents of young children hope they, because here we use subject after hope, so present simple or future simple, do or will do well at school. Now here discussion, I hope to become a doctor, to plus infinitive. I hope I get tickets to the concert. Concert معناها حفلة موسيقية. After hope here we use a subject plus a present simple. Then I wish I could speak English better. This is the grammar, the example and the grammar rule in your own book, page 18. Here, a mind map for wish and hope. Let's discuss it and explain what we write here. Hope. After hope, we use subject plus present simple or subject plus future simple, will, want, going to. Look at these two examples. Subject plus present simple. I hope you feel better soon. I hope, after hope we use subject. So again, here's the example. I hope you feel better soon. I hope you subject, feel present simple. Then subject with future simple, will, want, going to. Example, I hope they won't arrive early. I haven't finished cooking yet. I hope they won't arrive. So here we use want, will not, plus infinitive. The second type here we use to plus infinitive, and example, Ali hopes to find anybody to help him. Ali hopes to find. To plus infinitive, here we use to plus infinitive after hope. Now wish. After wish we use subject plus past tense, subject plus past tense with could, with was, with were, etc. Example number 1, I don't know French. I wish I knew French. I wish I knew. Knew past from know, past tense. Now example number 2, I wish we could buy a new car. I wish we, subject plus could plus infinitive, could buy. Now example number 3, I am not at home, but I wish I were at home. I wish I, subject, were, past simple, at home. I wish I were at home. This is the rule of hope and wish. Now let's answer these exercises. Exercise number 1, choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Education ministers are hoping to improve their school systems. Here, after we use hope, and after hope there is no subject, so we use to plus infinitive, so the answer is to improve. I hope it farag not to happen or won't happen. I hope. After hope, here we have subject, so we use a present simple or future symbol, negative or affirmative, but here we use not to happen. It's false because here we use the subject, so the answer is won't happen. Now let's hope he to get or gets the grades he need. He, after hope we use subject, so we use present simple, not to plus infinitive, so the answer is gets. Now number 4, I wish our school to have or had better equipment. I wish our school. After wish we use subject all the time, but after the subject we use past simple tense, so the answer is had. Then number 5, the head teacher wishes the school can buy or could buy more computers. Wish, after wish we use past simple, the subject is the school, and then we use could buy, not can. Could buy, the past form of can, could. Number 6, I wish I am not or I wasn't so bad at math. I wish, after wish we use always past simple, so wasn't. Now exercise number 2, complete the sentences with the correct form of the word in brackets. I hope I good marks in the test tomorrow. Get, after hope we use present simple or future simple, so the answer is get or will get. Get or will get. Now number 2, she wishes, after wish we use past simple, so she wishes, she from had, from have had, past simple, had so much homework to do, so the answer is had. She wishes she had or hadn't, negative, hadn't so much homework to do. Had not or didn't have. Sorry, the negative from had, didn't had, from had, didn't have. Number 3, we don't invest enough on primary school education. I hope we spend or will spend, will spend or spend, present simple or future simple. After leaving university, I hope there is no subject here, so we use to plus infinitive, so the answer is to become. And then I don't know what he's saying. I wish I could understand, from can, past form, could, then understand. So here I wish I could. Understand is the infinitive. Here the infinitive. Number 6, most parents of young children hope. After hope here we use subject, so we use future or present simple. Do or will do. Now exercise number 3, complete each sentence using the correct tense or form of the verb in brackets. I've applied for a new job. I hope I get or will get. The two answers are correct. Then I wish. After wish we use past form. I wish from the remember, remembered, from the verb remember, remembered, or could remember. We can use could, the past form of can. Could remember. I wish I could remember more of what I learned in school, but I have forgotten most of it. She hopes. Here also after hope we don't use any subjects. There is no subject, so we use to plus infinitive. So here the answer is to become. She hopes to become a doctor when she finishes medical school. He wishes he from not enjoy, the past form didn't enjoy. So she wishes he wishes he didn't enjoy eating fast food so much because he wants to be thinner. Now number 5 and the last one. I hope they. After hope we use subject and then we have the verb with not. So will not, won't arrive, or also present simple don't arrive. The two answers are correct. I hope they won't arrive early or don't arrive early. I haven't finished cooking yet. This is the last of our lesson today. Thank you for listening.